Let's start taking the questions, and we've got data-backed advice. Vikas Late on the phone line with us. Vikas, hi, go ahead with your question.
Yes, ma'am. This is Vikas Late calling from Mumbai.
Okay.
I have selected one property in Chembur. It is Alta Vista project of Spenta Corporation.
Okay.
And I want to go for a 1 BHK, which is costing around 1 crore. I want your opinion of your expert.
Fair enough. So he's chosen a project which seems okay. Godrej is also launched in Chembur just last week. What are some of the highlights of the Chembur micro market for me?
I think the most important part of Chembur is
it's in main Mumbai, first of all.
It's in main Mumbai. Why we like Chembur and Wadala, I think these are two really hot emerging markets in main Mumbai. Is the sole reason why Mumbai suffers the most is connectivity. Right, and these Chembur as well as Wadala are now are actually benefiting already from the two big connectivity links that got created over there. One was through the monorail, and the second one was the elongated road, that expressway that got created all the way going up to town. I think these are the two landmark connectivity, I would say, infrastructure that got created over there. It's called the Chembur Link Road, or the SCLR, which cost about 450 crores. These two big emerging infrastructure initiatives have created this area into a very popular area in demand now. And the first project that you've shortlisted is definitely a go ahead with us, because the weighted average price of the market is 14,000 plus. For the mid segment is 14,200, and this project is 12,500 rupees a square foot, and also a one bedroom decent size, I must say, 690 to 715 square feet. It's a redevelopment project across 7.5 acres. It's a JV between Shabari Group and Spenta Corporation. Developers have completed 8 projects in Mumbai. There is a fantastic 40,000 square feet clubhouse in Mumbai. 40,000 square feet is a lot for just a clubhouse. Swimming pool, meditation area, indoor games, table tennis. So definitely it looks like on paper it's a great project. The micro market is also done reasonably okay. 28 months of inventory overhang, but not to worry. This is probably lower now compared to other micro markets in Mumbai. Weighted average price, as I mentioned, was 14,200, and appreciation has been about 12.5% on an annualized basis. You can also look at these two projects, Veena Serenity by Veena Developers at 13,750, again lower than the weighted average price of the market. The developer has delivered quite a few projects. This project also has great amenities like a clubhouse, swimming pool, high-tech gymnasium, and construction has reached the plinth work, and the developer is also offering a 10-80-10 scheme through DHFL. Lastly, we have Orion by Ruparel Realty at 13,750. It's a redevelopment project consisting of 4 wings. Construction has already started. Project is 2 kilometers from the Chembur main monorail station, and amenities like the clubhouse, gym, swimming pool, recreation club are all there.
All right, so that's the market for you that we are speaking about, Chembur. Though I must say this, the inventory overhang is quite a lot, 28, and there are a lot of new projects which are still coming up in that
But
market.
we're not now too concerned in these kind of markets with 28 months of inventory overhang.
They will get absorbed sooner. So rather than they saying unsold inventory, you should just say flats which are waiting to be sold, is what I just heard somebody or amongst the developer community say that. Okay, Priyanka Verma on the phone line with us. She's our next caller. Priyanka, hi, welcome to the show. How can we help you?
Yeah, hi. I'm looking for a 3 BHK house for self-use on Noida Expressway, like sector 137. And my budget is around 60 to 80 lakhs. Can you please help me with this?
All right, you'd also send us 2 projects for vetting. It's the Blossom Country Logics Group and Gulshan Vivante. Let's start with Blossom County. Sami, what do you think?
So you'd actually send us 3 shortlisted projects. Blossom County, the first one is actually a no from our side. We'd like you to avoid it. There are quite a few issues for it. Biggest one being that the work on the project is going extremely slowly. There's not many people on the site, and we've heard of some defaults as well on this project. So better be safe than sorry. Also, there is enough and more to choose from over there. Your second choice, Vivante by Gulshan Homes, a very good project. Getting ready this year, so no execution risk. 5,200 rupees the price. The project is got great amenities like a swimming pool, massage rooms, yoga center, badminton basketball courts. Phase 2 is expected to be handed over in late 2015 and phase 1 is being delivered in a couple of months already. Paras Tierra by Paras Buildtech, again a project available in the resale market, has been ready since 2014, 900 meters away from the Noida Expressway. So this project has got a lot of appreciation, I must say. There's a 100,000 square feet clubhouse, health fitness center, amphitheater, swimming pool, Wi-Fi, good location. It's a 30-acre self-sustained township consisting of mixed low-rise, high-rise and duplex apartments at 5,200 rupees. If you look at the weighted average price of the market, it's at roughly about 5,000 rupees for the mid segment, and the Noida Expressway stretch 2, as we call this micro market, starting from sector 93 going up to sector 143B, including sector 168. The price appreciation chart depicts the price appreciation of about 11% on an annualized basis. And we have one more recommendation for you, Royal Park by Purvanchal Group, again trading between 52 and 5,500 rupees a square foot. Is spread across 13 acres of land, located in sector 137, and amenities include a clubhouse, gymnasium, cafeteria, healthcare, business lounge, all of the above.
All right, so that's the market for you. There are a couple of recommendations from us, and we've of course also told you what are some of the properties you should not buy because we are not comfortable with the developer. Pranav Kumar on the phone line with us. Pranav, hi, I believe you want to buy something in Gurgaon. How can we help you?
Yes, good evening. My query is regarding a project which is going to come with the Supertech under the name of Azalea. It's in a pre-launch and it's in sector 68.
Okay.
So I was interested in this project, but a little worried about the location and the future prospects of this thing.
All right.
And
okay.
I'm going under the subvention scheme with the SDFC Bank, where I have to pay 10% now. 80% is loan and 10% at the projection time after 3 years.
All right, fair enough. So Supertech Hughes, Azalea, it's a large township, Samir, got launched recently. What do you think?
Absolutely.
There is a scheme as well, subvention scheme in the
So from our point of view, definitely it's a go ahead. We've got some more recommendations for you that you may want to consider. But let's just talk about this project a little bit. By the time this project gets ready, which is 2018, the infrastructure would have come into that place. Right now, there is a little bit of a struggle on the infrastructure. The project is directly available with the developer, 70 acres township. So I think that's a big positive for this development, because you'll really get the benefits of all that you get from an integrated big township. If you look at the key data points, and we've got some more recommendations for you, areas between Sona Road and NH8, which is 68, starting going up to all the way to sector 80. Here the inventory overhang is of 15 months. And the new Gurgaon region, which we think is also a good long-term play, is 22 months on the inventory overhang. This starts with sector 81 and goes up to sector 95. There's a huge price difference between both the micro markets or regions. Areas between Sona Road and NH8, where the Supertech project is, the weighted average price is 6,350 rupees a square foot, and the new Gurgaon region is about 4,900 rupees. On the price appreciation charts, they both are identical at 13.5% on the annualized at an annualized level. Gurgaon 1 by Alpha G Corp, trading between 4,800 and 5,000, is the other option that you can consider in New Gurgaon. This project is designed by RCorp, spread across 7 odd acres, adjacent to the 200 meters wide commercial belt. For convenient daily shopping needs, there is some shopping that is going to be soon available. It's a well-known developer launching an affordable housing project in the same sector right away. Green Park 2 by Sare Group, again a PE-funded developer. The resale market rate is 5,000 and the developer rate is 5,500. So you can look at the resale market. It's a part of a larger township called Crescent Park. It's under mid-stage construction, expected to be completed by mid-2016. Township will have 7 acres of central area, shopping, school, clubhouse, swimming pool, etc.
You know, Samir, one curious thing I'm seeing, that between the first half of 2014 and the second half of 2014, prices have continued to rise in both these areas, Sona Road, NH8 and New Gurgaon region, and appreciation, if I see, is about 13.5%. So we were all under the impression that prices have actually come down or
If
moderated?
you look at this chart right in front of you, 25 to 34%.
Right,
from
so
H2
the
to 30.
quantum of rise has gone down, but
Yeah.
it's not flattened. The curve is not yet flattened. It's
Yeah,
214.
the curve is not going to flatten really, because this is the primary market appreciation curve where costs have also gone up. Cost
Okay.
of land doesn't really come
But
down.
wasn't there a case where in Mumbai at least some new developers were launching at a slightly lower price, but that's not happening right now in Gurgaon and NCR?
Not really. I would say it is happening in bits and pieces in certain micro markets. But having said that, I would say if you were to really look at price appreciation in the secondary markets, there's been a dip. There's been no
So
appreciation.
the secondary market which is cracked,
Yeah.
primary markets
primary
and just
market,
modest.
nobody
And I think
can
all the
reduce the
discounts
rates.
are getting billed in the subvention schemes, right?
Absolutely.
So that itself
Absolutely
is a
right.
big discount. I will not
You're
lower the launch price, but I will give you way better deals which automatically have a 10 to 12 to 15%
Right,
inbuilt
right.
in it. All right, okay, fine. Interesting strategy by developers there. So 6,000 for the Sona Road, Gurgaon, New Gurgaon area is actually not a very high price. On the other side, residents stand up against a trigger-happy RWA that's laundering their maintenance money. We come back and find out why the laws are silent on something so big.